of honor and speaker for this very special occasion, the Recognition Day 2025 here at Quiapo National High School. Dati, ako yung nakaupo dyan. Ngayon naman, pinagmamasdan ko na kayo in my point of view. And nakakatuwa, nakakalaki ng puso. And I would like to thank your school, my alma mater, for inviting me and giving me the chance to share a few reflections. As you sit here today, receiving recognitions for your hard work and accomplishments, I want to ask you to think about this. What does it mean to achieve success? Success ba? Mukha naman di ba? Kaya kayo narito. Now, what does it take to overcome struggles? And perhaps most importantly, what is the significance of all of it? Ano ba yung kahalagaan nito? Bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng ganito? I come here today as not just as a speaker, but someone who has lived through those exact questions. As some of you may know, I had the opportunity to undergo the training of the Bureau of Fire Protection, or BFP. Tama po? Bumbero po ako by profession, pero teacher by heart po ako. So dati po tayong guro. This experience taught me lessons that are relevant not just in the world of firefighting, but in life itself. Let me share with you a few things I learned inside the training camp, na kung saan meron akong natutunan, 5 S lang. Mabilis lang to. Number 1, sacrifice. Number 2, struggle. Number 3, nasa gitna, suffering. Yan lagi nasa gitna yan, yung suffering na yan. Number 4, success. And number 5, significance. And how will they relate to our journeys in life? The first lesson that I learned is the power of sacrifice. Alam nyo, in the BFP training, we had to give up a lot of comforts. Things like sleep, food, and sometimes even our brain. We push our bodies to the limit, waking up at 3 a.m. So nagigising kami ng 3 a.m. sa training, then tulog namin is 12 o'clock. Ano gagawin namin sa buong mag-aaral yun? Gagawa kami ng exercise, drills, puro physical works, and labors. There are times when I thought that I couldn't go on, when my body screamed for rest. But I had to keep going on, not just for myself, but for my dream too. But sacrifice isn't just about giving up comfort. It is about giving up something in the present for something bigger in the future. You as students are no strangers to sacrifice. You sacrifice your free time for your studies, your energy for school projects, and sometimes your sleep to meet deadlines. Tama? Sino sa inyo yung isang taon ng puyat dito? Panigurado yung mga group leaders na laging puyat, di ba? O sino naman dito yung nawala ng oras mag-ML para mag-aral? Aba, dapat lang, di ba? Unahin natin pag-aaral. Pwede natin pagsabihan, pero unahin natin pag-aaral. Tama? But each of these sacrifices is a step towards something greater. You're investing in your future, and that is the power of sacrifice. Yung mga gini-give up nyo today, natulog, napahinga, it is an investment to your future. But there's another important aspect of sacrifice that I want to highlight. Ano yun? The sacrifice made by your parents.